Let's talk about how to properly deep clean dirty walls. One thing you need to keep in mind is never directly spray the cleaning product onto the wall because that can cause damage. First step is making sure you got the proper chemical that will be effective and safe for the walls. So what chemical are we going to use? Well, you guessed it, Dawn dish soap. This works very effectively. But if you have something that is crazy dirty on there, you can add a tiny little touch of vinegar. You don't want to overdo it, but a little bit of vinegar mixed in here along with the water diluted will be safe for the paint finish, but will definitely get all that grime off the walls. Of course, the second thing you need to focus on is making sure you got the proper tools to do the job effectively and easily. So these are flathead mops. I'll show you the bucket as well. The reason why I love this is because you can properly wring out this mop head, making sure you don't drag dirt from one end to another. And if you got something crazy like nicotine to clean up on walls or heavy grease, these pads are definitely the best approach. The first step to deep cleaning walls is to properly dust. Again, the great thing about these mops is make sure to put a clean pad on here that is completely dry, and make sure you use that. It gives you all the high reach. Make sure to properly dust the entire wall before you start the cleaning process. So a big mistake people make is oversaturating the wall. That's why I like these mops. You can really wring it out thoroughly. So make sure to give the whole wall a good scrub down with the Dawn solution, making sure you lift all the dirt, all the grease, all the grime right off of it. Now, it is important to mention that you never want to apply too much pressure when you're cleaning a wall because paint finishes are rather sensitive. Now, if you're cleaning something like a matte finish wall, I wouldn't recommend this approach. That has to be said because matte finish walls do not enjoy a lot of moisture. So I can make a whole nother video on how to clean those. But for the majority of the walls, this is the proper approach for a thorough deep cleaning. Every time you do a deep cleaning, there is going to be scuff marks on walls. That's just the nature of it. So make sure to use a magic eraser. These things work wonders. Now, you don't want to apply too much pressure. Again, it's paint, so you got to be careful. But you need to make sure you get all the scuff marks off. And then when you finish using the magic eraser will leave a little bit of a residue behind. So make sure right when you finish a scuff mark to go over it with a little water on a microfiber cloth to wash that away for great results.